A visit to the beach. One of my favorite places to visit is the beach. It feels so fresh, cool, and relaxed. It is one of the best places where you can enjoy with your friends and families. Once I had gone to a beach at Hawke's Bay along with my cousins and family. Me and my cousins held our hands together and walked towards the water. Each time the waves was had our legs. If you go to a beach at the evening, you can see a beautiful side of the sunset. If was at the beach at the evening, I would certainly have taken a selfie of me and my cousins with the sunset behind us. Some vendors were selling articles made of seashell and beads. They were very beautiful. Children were playing here and there. Many people were bathing in the sea water. Many people had come to visit the beach. Some people were walking on the beach, some were sitting and enjoying the cool breeze. I enjoyed visiting the sea beach. Thank you.